Hey crafty friends, welcome to the channel. Let's get started on another beautiful collection, Project Share by Decorate Your Life. Grab your scissors, glue, and your favorite collection, and let's get started. Good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we are showcasing the Fall Hugs and Coco Mugs collection by Decorate Your Life. This is a charming seasonal collection available individually or as a coordinated bundle. We'll get into that just in a second. I want to invite you to use this QR code or just my Rhonda 15 to enjoy a very generous 15% off your card at checkout. This also applies with all sales that happen to be going on. So for today, we are looking at the kit. Now these three can be bought as a bundle, or they can be purchased separately. You can get the Coco Mugs collection, this one, in your choice of digital format or as a professionally printed pack. You can get the Besties and Cuties ephemera cards as a professionally printed pack, and the Besties and Cuties are pre-printed products as well. The little clip art packages, these guys, they are a gift for qualifying purchases while they last. Okay, so we'll recap here in just a bit. And again, you can get everything as a bundle, or you can get it separately. And I'm telling you, when we open this up, you are going to want the entire kit. I'm telling you, I know Sandi's kits are always amazing. So without further ado, let's look at the little extras. Aren't these adorable? Look at how you can mix and match these. This one's going to be fun. Look, we have the little backgrounds, the hearts. Look at this. Remember when we used to take the embroidery hoops and cover them and then decorate it with lace and stuff? And the collars are incredible. Pastel fall. Can you imagine? Look at this. Look at the little panda bear. You have to have this in your collection. You do. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a lot of fun. Look at the little guys down here. Look at the detail. Wow. Love this. Boy, this one was well planned. This one was an incredible amount of work. Sandi, how do you always outdo yourself? I just love it. I just love it. Okay, so these are the free gifts while supplies last. So I'm going to suggest you get over there quickly because these are going to fly off the shelf. Oh my goodness. I can't imagine. Oh, look. These are your fussy cut companions. Oh, they're going to be adorable. I'm going to try to save these too. I always try to save everything that I get on the cover. Can you imagine? I also saved the trim. Look, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Let me zoom out so you can see every incredible detail. These are amazing. Look at the hearts sewn together in the middle. Oh, they're just too cute. So you get two of each design. Here's the, look at the fringe around the heart. Oh, now this is my kind of girl. She's got those flowers and her Coco and her boots and her torn up jeans, and she's off somewhere to have some fun. Oh, the little girl on the couch. She's cute too. Do I have a favorite? Yes, all of them. All of them. Look at this. This one's going to be a lot of fun, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the fussy cuts cut out. Oh, no. Look. Look. Cuddle up and get cozy. Stay cozy and enjoy the little things. Yes. Oh, look. You make me smile. Be snugly and warm, the little puppy. You make my heart happy with the little squirrel. Oh, these are adorable. These are adorable. And then here we have Life is Better with Friends. Made with Love. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, the creativity. Cozy days. Sweet moments. Oh my. Okay, so that's our besties and cuties. Just put them under here. Oh, if I didn't mention, the paper packs, all of the paper, all of the sizes for these was 8.25 by 8.25 or 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. Here is our little ephemera cards. Oh, I can't imagine what these are going to look like, guys. I just can't. If the rest of this is as cute as the beginning of this, we're all in for a treat. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. That is just too cute. Even this. I'm going to cut that off. And this pretty little girl is going to become a little journaling cards. Look at this. Life is Better with Friends. So remember, you get 2 of each. Oh, look at those beautiful hearts. Yes. Oh my goodness. Sweet moments. This is beautiful. You make me smile. Life is Better with Friends. Absolutely. Cozy days. There's our girl. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I am over the moon happy. Look at this. With her pie and her Coco. Oh my goodness. And look at the little raccoon. Oh guys, you have to get your hands on this kit. Get the bundle. Treat yourself to the bundle. Oh my goodness. Snugly and warm, that little puppy. Oh my goodness, that is just too cute. Okay, so there's our ephemera cards. Put those to the side. And then we're going to get into the actual collection. Look at these. These are just amazing. Okay, here we go. Once we get to the Fall Hugs and Coco Mugs, your 8.25. This paper she uses. Oh, she just does such amazing things. Okay, so look at this. Oh my goodness. Yes. Absolutely gorgeous. Remember that you get 2 of each. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This would be good as a tall and skinny. I'm running ideas through my head as we speak. This would be good as a tall. Yes. Oh my goodness, look at her. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look, look, look. Oh Lord, look at the wheat. Love always. Collect moments, not things. A little kindness goes a long way. This is gorgeous. Look at the little kitty and the little raccoon. Oh, this one's too cute. Look. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. This, I think, will be my cover. Oh, the little duck. Look at this little guy. Hey, just chilling on his pumpkin. My kind of raccoon. Oh, this is beautiful. Then we have all of the besties and the cozies. Oh, she's deep in thought. She's planning on which movies they should have and if they have enough Coco. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, look. Look at the little owl in his eyes. Oh my goodness. No. Do you guys have a favorite yet? Oh, this is too much. This is absolutely over the top sweet. Look at this. Oh boy. I'm blown away. And then we're back to our little cinnamons and our little, these are amazing. You guys will go make your purchases. This makes the purchase worthwhile, just this. Okay, so my first step is going to be to fussy cut all of this and put them in my handy dandy fussy cut box. And then I'll put my ephemera cards in here. And we're going to get started with cutting these out. That'll be our first step. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to pick out my lace. Oh, and I have honestly thought about doing a pom-pom journal. But I don't know. Now that I get it, now that I think about it, I'm not too sure that's what I want to do. But later on I will. But for now, I'm pretty sure I really like the ring bound journals just because they grow with us, right? And I'm thinking about this one as my cover. Or this one as my cover. Yeah, I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Yes. The other one. This one. Yes, this one. I'm thinking about this one as my cover. And I could put some cool stuff over here. You'll have to come back to see. And don't forget, visit the design team. Use your code. Go get your bundle and craft along with us. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You can't beat the price. You can't beat the deal. You get a 15% off discount. What are you waiting for? I'll see you over in Sandi's shop. Bye. Guys, I got so excited over the video or the package that I forgot to show you the bows. You can also get these and other many beautiful things in Sandi's shop. I'm going to leave these in the kit, in the collection, until I'm ready to use them. And I have everything here in my nice little handy dandy box. And again, there's your opportunity to get a shot of that QR code. Or hop over and just use the Rhonda 15. Guys, like I said, I hope you get the entire package. Looking forward to working with this, and I hope you are too. With that being said, next Sunday, I'll have something put together for us to play with, and the mind is running now as we speak on how I'm going to present this as a journal. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.